Alright, some assembly required. So the instructions were a little on the lame side, so I'm going to go ahead and just show you this. This is your mop. So you got the top. This screws in. Got 3 pieces to your mop staff here. So this screws in nice and tight. This one then goes into here. Likewise, screws in. Nice and tight. Keeping it tight. Okay, that's not screwing in tight. Okay, there we go. Just cut the thread. Nice and tight. Now this one, I'm assuming, has something to do with the spinning action stuff. Not sure if this has to be tight or not, but we're going to tighten it down for right now. Last but not least, the head of the mop. So seat that in firmly and then just bring this down to tighten it. Now you may notice there's nothing at the end yet. So the one that I purchased, I'll put a link in the description, but it came with 2 of these guys, little mop things, super soft by the way. And this little bristly guy. And basically what you do is you pop it on the bottom, and then you can scrub the floor. Right? And then when you're ready to take it off, you just squeeze these 2 sides, and it pops out pretty easily actually. And then for the mop, just gotta make sure all the dreadlocks don't get in the way. Place it on, and you can just do that, or they also say you can push it down onto the ground and just kind of go boink. And then to take it off, you just stand on it and pull at an angle. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if I can put it on by just pushing. And the idea is that you don't want to touch the gross mop. Yeah, it worked okay. So, and I'm all for that. Now, at some point, I'm supposed to be able to put the mop in here and it'll spin. I might have to loosen this a little bit. It can't be too loose, otherwise I can't push on that. So I'm going to have to read some instructions, I think. And maybe put in some water. So you put water in here. So I haven't figured everything out yet, but put water in here. This is just the assembly instructions, and then, yeah, this probably has to be tight. So water, I don't know why there's a big bump in here. There's a big bump in there, I have to figure that out. This essentially has, okay, so this has a little thing, but I don't know what you do here. Why that needs a thing. Now when she did it, it was really easy, right? Because she's been doing it for 30 years. Okay, so don't know why there's a little bump in there. I'll have to figure that out. But this is the one, when the mop is wet, she just dropped it in here and pushed on it. And yeah, I'm going to have to read some instructions to figure out how to get it to work. But I'll be right back.